Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here to do a product review, and it's a skincare product, and I have been using this product from last month, and it's been a month basically, and it also featured my September favorites as well. So I thought of doing a full review for this skin product. So the product is this skincare cream. It's called Benigma, and it's premium New Zealand Bee Venom skincare, and it's all-in-one face cream. And this is the outer packaging. The outer packaging is quite decent. It has a white box over it, and when you see it closely, you can see a self print of beehives on the box, and at the back of the box the ingredients and the directions how to use this cream are written. The shelf life of this Benigma cream is 12 months, so you have to use it up in an year. And plus, this is a New Zealand product. It's made in New Zealand, and the amount of product you get is 50 ml. And when you open this box up, you can see a really nice glass jar with a plastic cap over it, and yes, it's a pretty decent packaging. It's like a normal cream packaging. And when you open this lid, you can see the actual product in it, and it looks just like a normal skincare cream, just like a moisturizer. And I'm just going to swatch it for you guys, and I'm taking this cream on my finger, and see, it just feels like a cream, and it's very moisturizing. It's very good for winters because it just locks in the moisture. So you can use this cream very easily. You can use it just like a cold cream. You just take a small amount of this cream on your fingers and just dot it all over your face and just blend it really nicely. That's it. You don't have to do fancy things for using this. It's very easy to use and it works great. So what is unique about this cream is that in this cream, bee venom is used. So let me tell you guys that bee venom is very expensive itself, and it is used for a lot of medical procedures as well, so it's very expensive. So the cost of this cream goes high just because of the bee venom. Bee venom acts as a natural Botox. So yes, that's why I think it is used in this cream, so that it can be a multi-purpose cream as well as an anti-aging cream. So what it says, it's naturally soft, smooth, beautiful skin, and the three ingredients are written, main three ingredients, which is bee venom, manuka honey, shea butter. Let me tell you that no bees are harmed in the manufacturing of this cream. It is kind of cruelty free. I have been using this twice daily, in the morning and in the night. It's a part of my night care routine and day care routine, both, and I have felt the difference. My skin feels more firm, my skin feels more tight as compared to before. So yeah, I can really feel the firmness and tightness on my skin by using this. So definitely I would say that this actually does the job of anti-aging for sure, and it's a very good moisturizer. It just locks in the moisture of your face. So I really love that thing about it, because winters are approaching here and everybody needs a good moisturizer in winter especially. But it is a little expensive, as I told you earlier, as bee venom is used in this cream, so it's a little expensive. It retails for $24.95, which is a lot. I know it's a lot, but it saves you money on your night cream, because you can use it as a day cream, as a night cream. So you don't have to purchase two creams. You can buy just this one and make it work as both. So still, if you find this cream very expensive, I have a coupon code for you, so you can get 20% discount on it, and the coupon code is Face the Glam, and I will be linking their website, so you can go there and use my code and have 20% off on this cream. I would recommend this cream who are above 25 and who really want to start anti-aging products. So it's really great for anti-aging. So any person who is searching for good anti-aging cream, you can go for this one, because you don't have to buy two creams, day cream and night cream. You can just buy this one and apply it in the day and in the night. So I'm totally satisfied with this cream, and as I told you, B Venom works as a natural Botox, so this cream will help you get that Botox kind of skin. Like it will help to reduce that fine lines, and it will help to lift your skin up. I hope this review was helpful for you. I wanted to keep it like really short and crisp review. I hope it was helpful for you. Yeah, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe. Bye bye.